Welcome back, All Things Outdoors Ohio. So today I got a small video for you guys. So we're currently snowed in, getting about 12 inches of snow here in Ohio. So I figured I'd look through some footage and see what kind of hunt I can throw together. So this particular hunt is when Avery and I went out. We ran 6, shot 2, so overall pretty good day. Conditions were actually pretty tough and the dogs still got it done. So we were still able to jump rabbits without Lucy too. So we only had 3 dogs and the dogs still found a way to get it done. Shot 2, got them both on camera. So that's what I got for you guys. Obviously didn't film too much. It was snowy, it was a little wet, so it was cold, and I didn't really get my phone out. We got a little bit of GoPro. My GoPro actually died. So I got a little hunt for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Good dogs, yeah. Good girl, Stein, easy.
Adam.